This is Don Jordan, Saturday, March 22nd, 2025, near the HoodleBug Trail on the way to Homer City, watching the upcoming implosion of the Homer City power plant.
There goes the big one.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I just saw a flash. And there goes another one.
There goes the other one.
Yeah. They're probably not happy that other one didn't come the whole way down.
Yeah. Oh, Zach, your whole life you've looked over and seen those.
Yeah. No longer.
If they're good, then they're just